Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at trying to find a rule or the pattern for a tile pattern given information, just one figure as well as a graph that aligns with that figure. So that pattern. So let's take a look at this. So, oh, by the way, this is a problem I'm taking from CPM's course 3, section 6.1.1, number 6-6. It says find the rule for the pattern represented at the right. So I've got my figure 1. Figure 1, right? So that figure 1 tells me what? That when x equals 1, because I'm talking about my rule, when x equals 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Y is equal to 11, right? So, and then I notice, what else do I have? I have another set of information here. I have another set of information that when x is equal to, looks like 3, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That looks like 7. So that point right there is 3, 7. So what I might do is just put this in a table just to get another visual here. If I had my x and my y, at 1, I'm at 11. At 3, I'm at 7. And I know this thing is supposed to grow at a constant rate because when we deal with figure numbers, it's going to grow at a constant rate. So if I think about it right now, my rate, I notice this is growing here from here to here. It's actually shrinking by 4, make negative 4, right? It's going down 4. And over this way, it's going up 2. Well, normally we want to know for each one. So if I think about that, then if I put in my 2, my second figure number would be 2. Instead of going all the way down to 4, if it's a constant rate, it would only go down 2, right? So this would be 9. So I subtract 2. So that's another way of kind of thinking through it. So now we can see that I don't need that anymore on the sides. I know that I'm going down 2 every time. So we can start off by saying my rule is going to be y is equal to negative 2x. That means it's decreasing 2 each one. Now I just got to figure out what that 0 was. Well, if that's the case, if I'm decreasing 2, then to find the 0, go back up 2 would be 13, right? Because I'm adding 2 that way. So I have that constant rate of decreasing by 2 each time. So that means my initial value or my y-intercept would be 13, right? So there's the rule for this pattern. And I should have started with making sure you understand I'm basing this is off of y equals mx plus b, where m is the growth, right? That's what the m is, and b is the figure 0 or the initial value. So if I knew figure 0 and I knew my growth, then that's how I was able to come up with my equation. Okay, there we go.